Welcome back to another episode of Knucklehead Garage. Today we're going to another local car show.
At a Candy Mansion!
Yeah! Woo! Let's go! All right, Mabel, turn on the tunes. We are at the Hebert Candy Mansion in Shrewsbury, Mass. They hold a car event every Thursday night, weather dependent, from April to September, something like that. So we're gonna take a walk around. We already got our food from the Dogfather. We're probably gonna get some ice cream and probably go inside to actually get some candy too, but let's take a look at some cars. All right, I am here with, I think, my favorite car of the whole car show, and I'm here with
Al Howard.
And Max.
All right, we got Al and Max here. So I'm drawn to this car because obviously a lot of mechanical work has been done, but also they're just keeping it original right now, at least. Yeah. So tell me a little bit about the car, how you got it, what you've done so far.
So we found the car out in a little one-car garage out in Webster. A buddy of mine actually has a coworker who owned it, and it was in a wreck in 76 or 77, something like that. And he parked it away in the garage, and it sat there for 50-something odd years. And when we found it, it was missing the passenger fender, the driver's door, driver fender all smashed up. So we took the time, sourced parts and everything for it, got all the body work, and started doing all the mechanicals to it. We started with the engine, we put a 5-speed in it, we had the rear end gone through, and yeah, we did a lot of work mechanically to the car.
So brand new engine, or did you use the block that was there?
So it had the original engine and transmission. It's originally a 383 4-speed car. We found a engine that was rotating because the original engine was locked up. So we found a good 383 to stick in it, keep the original motor safe and not ruined. And yeah, we ran a different motor in the car.
Cool. The biggest thing is the stripes on the car. Like, tell me what you know about the stripes.
I don't know too much about them. I know the original owner bought them with that stripes already on it. Somebody else did them. But I think they're super cool. They're totally of the era and definitely fit the 70s vibe. So I like them a lot.
Yeah, you need to keep those no matter what. All right, so do you want to tell me a little bit about your plans for the future?
So right now we're gonna drive it. We literally finished it. We got it back from the exhaust shop on Monday. So this is the first time it's been to a car show or anything like that, save for a couple of test drives, really. So yeah, for now.
Is it inspected right now?
Yeah.
No. We got it registered. We got it registered the week before that. So
Okay.
yeah. But for now, we're just gonna drive it and enjoy it. Keep dialing stuff in. You know, we still got to do an alignment. In the future, who knows? If we ever painted it, we'd probably could go back to complete stock.
Never paint it.
Yeah.
Never paint it.
Maybe color match the fenders and do the patina clear coat or something like that. But other than that, just keep tweaking mechanically.
Well, it is so awesome that you guys got it going and are just running it, because that's what it's all about. So
Yeah, it was a fun project.
yeah, keep it up, guys. Well, nice to meet you. Appreciate it. Nice to meet
man.
you.
Appreciate it.
All right, I have one more question for you, actually. So where do you guys do the work on the car?
Right in our little 1.5 car garage underneath our
Yeah,
house.
home garage. So.
Nice.
No lift or anything.
No.
So you make it work.
Jack stands.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's
sir.
awesome. Cool, cool. All right. Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
All right. Miriam, what'd you get?
I got gummies. I got sour gummies.
Sour gummies. What'd you get?
I got saltwater taffy.
Saltwater taffy. Yuck. I'll have some of those, Miriam, please.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
All right, we have this ritual whenever we're driving the Scout and we drive under a tunnel or under a bridge, we yell as loud as we can. So we're about to go to under a bridge here. You girls ready?
Yeah.
Ready? That's it. Thanks for watching this Cars and Candy episode. Next time we are definitely bringing Wally to the car show. I've got just a little bit more work to do to be able to do that. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys like this stuff, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And I will catch you on the next one. See ya.